Okay, so the last reminder before we get into the video today, it is a beater box video. This is the last reminder that the giveaway will be ending tonight. So there definitely is still time to enter. Just make sure you guys go down to the description below, hit that gleam.io link and enter. It takes like literally 5-10 seconds of your life and you may end up winning a $750 hype box. Not a beater box, hype box. But yeah, you guys should definitely check that out. It should be a lot of good stuff in there. Not should be, there is a lot of good stuff in there. So yeah, check it out. 5-10 seconds, really easy. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with another beater box unboxing from Supremacy. This box is actually $600, so quite a difference from that last box that we had. $19.75 I think was the last one, and it was a doozy. Should be a lot more manageable, but honestly, back when I first started doing the boxes and I tried to stay in this range, there was great value to be had. Sometimes the higher heat doesn't move either because you're thinking like how many people can actually afford a $1,000 shoe, you know? So these boxes actually make a lot more sense like in terms of moving things quicker, just not as hyped. But who knows, maybe there's some grails in here. We just gotta check it out. Anyway, like I said, this box is from Supremacy. You need to be a beater box member in order to purchase them, unfortunately. My best suggestion is to follow them on Twitter, follow them on Instagram, and they may end up releasing more memberships soon. Haven't seen any recent news on that, unfortunately, but I'm sure if they get enough supply, then they will definitely start making more boxes, which means more memberships for you guys. So check that out. Anyway, $600 box. Let's check it out. Okay. So the first thing that I noticed is that the box is really heavy, and usually what it means when it's really heavy is there's a lot of bricks in here. So fingers crossed we got like at least a couple good pairs that can move somewhat easily. Okay, well this also means that I'm probably not going to know half the shoes in here, so bear with me. Let's get into it. The first pair that we got in here is a pair of Kobe's though. This one is a size 9. No idea what colorway this is, but it is a kind of clean Kobe. I don't know, it's got like snake patterns on here. I don't know if all of them have that, but yeah, you can kind of see like that snake skin kind of look. So these are not that bad. No box, obviously. Hopefully the counter on the screen has some value on these. I would assume that it's at least like 70, 80 bucks. So not a bad first pair for a $600 box. Okay, next out we got a huge orange Nike box. This one is a Nike Hyper Dunk Supreme. Okay, size 11.5. So yeah, this shoe is from 2009 and it's just very like purple. Very interesting. Not a big fan of Hyper Dunks. They feel kind of clunky to me, but in terms of basketball like performance, they're actually a pretty good shoe. So bottoms look not too bad. I mean, it's used. No idea what the value is on that either. Let's move to the next one. It's gonna be a quick box today, man. I don't have much to say on this kind of stuff. Next one out, this is a size 4Y, Nike Little Posit 1. So these are a pair of the metallic golds. Yeah, 2014, size 4Y. And yeah, bottom's not too used, but they are slightly worn. So size 4Y, should be going for a decent amount of money. These retail for, suggested retail is 180. Nuh-uh, there's no way, no way. All right, next out, I see a LeBron. LeBron 9 AS, size 11. This might be the money shoe of the box, and we might have got it way too early, because this is the LeBron 9 Big Bangs. This is a sick shoe, and it's in a size 11 too. This is actually a really hyped up shoe, man. Like, it's got that Galaxy vibes, orange bottoms. I mean, they're a little bit worn, but overall, good condition. I was looking for basketball shoes too. Maybe this is my shoe that I'm gonna hoop with. Interesting. Solid condition. There should be great value on the screen over here now. So yeah, definitely one of the better shoes in this box for sure. That might be the it shoe of the box. All right, I see another Jordan box here. This one is a Jordan 11 low. So that should be pretty good, size 11. All right, and these are the 11 tuxedos. Oh, what? This might be dead stock. Wow, I think these are a pair of dead stock Tuxedo 11 lows. That's actually a really, really good pair now. Yeah, look, no toe box creasing right here. Bottoms are icy. Little bit of discoloration, but that's to be expected. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's been used. Awesome. Okay, so definitely a good boost in value from this pair as well. Yeah, see, maybe the $600 boxes are actually the better ones for profit. No joke, they actually are. I've done the research, and looking back at the numbers, these ones end up being very, very high up there. All right, so Jordan 2 Retro Low. This should be a brick, size 8.5. Definitely. Oh, and these got some bad odor to it. So you guys can see right here, these are the Red October 2 lows. It's just a red Jordan 2 low. Not a lot to say there. They just have a very strong scent. That's no good, man. All right, let's move on. Nike Air Pegasus New Racer. No idea. Size 12. What in the heck is this? If this is used, that's messed up. Nobody's gonna buy this. I can't tell, but I mean, look at this. This is pretty much an outlet shoe if I've ever seen one, dude. There's nothing stand out about this at all. I'll look more into it, but from my first glance, it looks like it's been tried on. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. 2 more shoes in here. This one is another size 4Y Lil Posits. And this one, I don't know what colorway this is. Interesting. It's got like silver, like neon bottoms, and yeah, it's a little bit worn, but overall it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I don't know, not a lot to say there. Size 4Y. And this last box, I don't think this is a money shoe. I have no idea. I've never seen this box before, and I've never opened. Oh, it's heavy. Let me move this real quick. This is a Fenty box. Fenty Puma. It is in a size 11 US. It says Creeper Cracked Leather Men. So Fenty, isn't that like that Rihanna brand? I didn't know they make men's shoes. It looks pretty premium though. I mean, like there's like this big dust bag right there. Really nicely wrapped. I'm assuming it's dead stock. Wow, okay, well. This is definitely a dead stock Fenty, I guess. I don't have any idea about this shoe. It's very bulky feeling. It's very heavy. It looks like it adds like, what is this, like 2 inches, 1 inch to your height. So that's kind of cool, I guess. Leather feels very plasticky, not very high quality at all, to be honest. Interesting, I've never seen this before. Presentation, I gotta admit, the packaging is pretty nice though. So that's kind of cool. First time ever opening a Fenty box. It was definitely a different kind of box this time around, guys. $600, there is a lot of good value. The DS tuxedos definitely helped the cause, and the LeBron 9 All-Star games definitely help as well. No idea about some of the other stuff, but that's okay. I'm sure the value is there. Yeah, so what did you guys think of the box? Let me know down below. Anyway, if you guys haven't already, be sure to enter the giveaway down below. Really fast, it's ending in a couple hours, so who knows? You guys might get lucky, you get a free hype box on me. As a thank you to 75,000, which is insane because now we're at like almost 80K, I think. Wild, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much. But until next time though, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I'll see you guys. Aloha. Shoots.